sir.
Check my mileage.
So he was more selective than me. That's the only reason I made more money. I stayed maybe more busy, took some orders maybe he wouldn't have taken. Because I did a couple $4 runs, as you guys saw. We did a 5, we did 2 5s, I think. We did 6s, we did the 13, the 8, the 8, the 10, the 10,
That's not bad.
the 8. So we didn't drive a lot of miles, but his account had more action, activity, which is surprising to me. Now it's one day, but that is surprising. But he stayed definitely more selective, but he had more downtime than
Absolutely.
I didn't have a lot of downtime as we were ripping and running. Those first 2.5 hours, we were busy. And then the last 2 hours, we didn't have anything.
Yeah, it was horrible. I mean, most of my screenshots came from that last hour, but that's okay though.
Were you out? Were you in Webster Groves or down?
Oh yeah, no, I was right here.
Okay.
Because I've been zone locked, so every time I got an order that was acceptable, took me out of the zone, I had to
go back. So I think that's part of the reason he had some downtime. Also because he was driving a little bit, and that's obviously not good. We didn't have that. We were in that downtown zone.
Yeah.
Pretty much the entire time. Once we took the order here, went downtown, stayed downtown.
Oh, nice.
And then came back. Oh, and Hampton and I know you're
Pop me a bag of chips open, and I'm just like, hit record and just keep screenshotting.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what I want to ask.
Crazy.
Did you see any $2 and $3 offers?
Yeah, I saw. Yep. So the last, let's see, I saw 301, 275. I saw 3 $2 or $3 orders. The Subway for $3 and whatever. I saw this $3.01 Firehouse subs, and I saw $2.75 for Crazy Bowls and Wraps.
Okay.
So I saw 3.
So out of his,
3 of them were $2 or $3.
3 of them were $2 and $3 orders. Now look, this is just sitting right here waiting on you.
Do you like? Okay, yeah.
And they were banging me with Chick-fil-A.
I'm gonna film.
Now see, these are the ones that hurt my soul right there.
Okay, so he's flipping through. Keep flipping through. Yeah, those are, you can't do that. Can't do that.
The reverse miles to money rate. This one's not too bad.
Not
but
horrible.
I tried it and they were really busy there.
They're Sonic, yeah.
Had the unassigned there. Not too bad on these.
Well, that last one.
What was that last?
Let's go back. It's not horrible.
No,
but still, yeah.
I think that was my last order.
You probably took that one.
Yeah, that was my very last order.
So how many $2 or $3 orders did you see? I saw 3 today. I think 3.
I know I saw those 2. I saw 2 no-tip orders flat out.
Right.
And then I think I saw a couple that were reverse miles to money ratio, and I count that as the same thing as a no-tip order.
Because the only way that's good is, let's say this house icon is like, we're getting ready to meet down over here, and you got to drive those miles anyway. But that's otherwise,
And I mean, even if I was doing Spark,
you would have been going away from where you wanted to be.
Yeah, I can't take that. But I mean, and a lot. See, this is why you need to have a red card, guys. There were orders that I got that were shopping pays. Yeah. And I wasn't able to accept.
Not horrible, but yeah, you can't accept them, so that's not good. Yep.
I mean, even when the miles and money.
A lot of small ones. You see, and you guys see his screen looks different than mine, right? Obviously, he doesn't have the diamonds, which doesn't matter, right? But he's not seeing, I don't know if you were seeing a lot of stacks or not. He couldn't do that one. Nope. See, $12. A lot more miles on your account than mine. These offers are sending you are way more miles than what I was seeing today.
Yeah, I mean, they were trying their best to get me out of the zone.
The most I saw was 8 miles.
Oh, wow.
I saw that 2 or 3 times, I believe. I didn't see anything over 10. You have that multiple times.
Out of all 9 orders, only had 1 had a hidden tip on it.
I had a hidden tip. 8 turned into a 13, and that was it.
So what's up with Raising Cane's? They don't pay for the food through DoorDash?
No, you got to use a red card. You order it yourself. So I was at Raising Cane's twice today.
So do they take a long time when you place the order?
Raising Cane's is quick.
Okay.
Because the lobbies are open. Okay. So there might be times where the lobby's busy, but it's quick. If the dollars and the miles make sense, I would do Raising Cane's.
Okay, so it's
because that one could technically go up. Well, probably not. It's in one item.
Yeah.
But which one? So that's the Raising Cane's that I was by, I think. Yeah.
So in my experience, if I have a hidden tip indicator, but the mileage is over a certain amount,
it's probably not gonna.
It don't go up. So usually for me,
that one probably would.
No, I need like 7 something for a 4 mile order to go up. And usually, like you say, more items.
You're right. If it was like 3 miles or less, it might go up.